concepts together. We've given you lots of basic foundations, okay, and lots of things to start with and then build up from there. What we're now going to do is pop a little routine together for you, try and incorporate most of that so that you can have a little go with a little mini routine, and then from there you could go on and try some more routines, or you can try another course. Hopefully see you soon.